have not heard any kind of opposition to the new education policy. There is no question of opposition to it. There are challenges to it. The reason why the challenges are there is because you require the 4-year course to come in, and hence the infrastructure has to go up, the manpower has to go up, multidisciplinary courses will have to start. So you need more professors, lecturers and academic people to come in, and hence it's not a question of opposing it, but it's a question of the overcoming the challenges, and hence that requires financial challenges, and hence individual colleges and all may not be able to do it in one go, and hence I think it's being misquoted when we say that they are opposing it. I think the real issue is the challenges of overcoming and implementing it, which is, as I said, the manpower, the financial constraint and the infrastructure. And therefore we have discussed this with many colleges, and we are working towards helping them and supporting them on how we can do that. It cannot happen in one go because it's huge financial challenges are there, but we are committed to it and we will move forward with it. And at the same time, I also want to share that almost all academicians and colleges have appreciated, in fact, that this is a very good way of moving forward, because it really gives a more holistic approach to the entire education system, and it prepares our youth and youngsters in a much better manner for the future. And I am myself, at my level, I'm very confident that this will be a very, very positive thing that's going to happen. But as I've mentioned many times, that there are challenges, but we will work towards overcoming them. We may not be able to do them in everything in 1 year, but as we go along, we will try to, in a phase-wise manner, we'll try to overcome these challenges. Okay?